Hey guys, it's Chris with Inc. Michigan Realty, and we're here for another Market Monday. Again, we're in the middle of the COVID-19 crisis, so we wanted to just kind of update you guys on what COVID-19 and Metro Detroit's real estate market looks like today. So the good news here is since last Monday, we've had a huge update on the real estate front in regards to COVID-19. And that update is going to be inspections are now deemed essential. So the entire real estate process can go on as of about 5 days ago or so. The only thing that we're missing out on here is the ability for us, real estate agents, to actually come into contact with our clients. But as many of you guys know from our previous videos, we have many ways around this, from video tours to virtual tours. We are still here for you, and if there's anything in the world we can do for you, please feel free to reach out to us. So as always, family is what's most important. As you can see here, Kit summoned me to the bunker where he's proceeded to throw sand all over me. So take care of family, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy, and remember, we love you. We'll see you guys next week. What are they gonna remember?
Stay healthy.
Stay healthy? What else?
I don't know.
But at the end of the day, family is what's most important. As you can see, Kit summoned me to the bunker where he is proceeding to cover me in sand. So stay safe, stay healthy. Oh no! So stay safe, stay healthy,